This game is definitely.
But she did gun 1 too, though.
Yeah, she game is just the one.
If you have deuce, you must put deuce to deuce. This is 5, so 5 have to go to 5, so 3 have to come to this.
Find a way to post anything you want.
Post anything.
But the first game and the first 4 I play, you have to post double 6 most of the post.
Everybody draw 7 things. And you have 7 out every king.
Easy breed, man.
So either you say you pass or you knock. You know, you just knock. When you kill all a double like a double 6 now, and you know say him have the double 6, you beat it hard. Domino is a thinking game. So it's when you play, you have to watch how everybody play, and you think in your mind and you know which card around is up and which card around is.
Cut short is a game and everybody play for themselves. Partner now, if me and your partner, me help you, you help me. It's like when broke it now, the game start over.
So this 5 now, just rub it off.
Them not good.
Them ain't no good again. Them ain't no good again. Not really say it's a competition, but you know it's a fun thing. Every evening, we gather right or something. We play 2 domino. We not 2 gamble or nothing, you see me? So we just gather and full joy ourselves and them thing there, you see it?
One of the basic rules of the domino is anytime you lose, call your Indian friend them. Them down the gully there, they will come up.